Cloud Engineer Roadmap, Zero to Job Ready. Why cloud engineering is booming. Companies are moving from physical servers to cloud infrastructure. Everything is now online. Step 1. Build fundamentals. Start with Linux networking, IP, DNS, HTTP. Basic scripting. These are non-negotiable. Step 2. Pick a cloud platform. Start with 1. Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Azure. Step 3. Learn core cloud services, compute, virtual machine storage, object storage, database managed DB, networking, VPC. Step 4. Hands-on practice. Deploy a web app, host static website, connect backend, plus database. Step 5. Learn cloud networking, VPC, subnet, security groups, understand how systems connect. Step 6. Learn scaling, auto-scaling, load balancing, handle high traffic systems. Step 7. Learn monitoring, track performance, set alerts, optimize systems. Step 8. Security basics, IAM, access control, encryption, secure configuration. Step 9. Build projects, cloud, hosted application, auto-scaled systems, secure architecture. What companies expect. Cloud knowledge, practical experience, system understanding, common mistakes. Only 3. No practice learning multiple clouds at once, ignoring networking. The timeline 4 to 7 months with consistency. Career path. Cloud engineer, cloud architect, solutions architect. The final take. Cloud is the backbone of modern IT. If apps run online, cloud engineers are behind it. Cloud emoji, rocket